Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we discuss essay on sports. Introduction. Sports and games are of great value. They must be followed to live a wholesome. Wholesome means sehat baksh and healthy life. Everyone, no matter what age she is, must follow sports activities as per their interest and caliber. This is a good way to stay away from stress and boredom. Boredom means boriyat and lead an active and fit life. Sports and games are stress busters. In today's time, stress and anxiety have become a common problem. These often lead to a bigger and more serious problem called depression. While many people are becoming victims means mutasirin of depression because of loneliness. Others are suffering from it because of the growing competition and various other reasons. A good way to combat means ladai. Stress is to take a break from the daily chores. Chores means kamkaj and indulge. Indulge means mulawis in sports and games for some time each day. A lot of research has been done in this field, and it has been found that people who spend at least an hour playing their favorite sport each day are far less prone means shikar to stress and anxiety compared to those who lead a sedentary life devoid means khali of any such activity. Sports and games are not only recommended for good mental health but also to keep fit physically. Sports and games help build healthy relationships. Playing indoor or outdoor games with one's family members help build stronger relationships. Playing indoor games such as Ludo, Carrom board, chess, and other board games with our family members is a good way to spend quality time with them and strengthen our bond. These are a few such games that people of any age can play easily and enjoy. Indulging means mulawis. In outdoor sports and games such as badminton, hide and seek. Hide and seek means chupan chupai. Cricket, etc. with our family members is an equally good way to bond with them. Conclusion. Thus, sports activities are a good way to stay fit physically and mentally, and also a great means to strengthen our familial bond. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe.